Hey, what's up, guys? So this is gonna be a really quick video on how to bundle some items that you find that that they're separate when you scan them, but they show up as a bundle on Amazon. I mean, this is really easy to do, but I had a couple people ask me the same question on how do I exactly do I bundle them? Do I put them together? Do I tape them and then do I put the label on each one? So I'm just gonna show you real quick. It's really simple. This is gonna be a really quick video. So for instance, if you guys seen my last video, when I showed you certain items that you can find in the dollar store over and over and over again and keep buying these same items, there's plenty more. I didn't show all of them, but you guys should go check it out because there's a few of them. There's candles, there's like kitchen supplies, there's office supplies, there's all different types of things in the dollar store that you can find. And when you scan it, they may not be the single item that you scan, but they may be several of those items as a bundle, and you just might have to buy several of them and put them together. So I'm gonna show you really quick how I do that. It's really easy for those of you who don't know, because like I said, I got a few questions. A couple of people asked me actually how to exactly do I bundle them. So this is what you do. All right, guys. So these were the sponge example, right? Remember, I scanned these, and they showed up as 24 of these sponges. I scanned this right here, I scanned that, and it showed me 24 on the app. The problem is only 6 come in this pack. So what do? I buy 4 of them, because 6 times 4 is 24. So I bought 4 of these. So you can, and if you're slow at math, like some people are, I was at the beginning too. So just add them up. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, guys? So what I would do is I would take this, right? I hope you guys can see this. Let me come over here for a second so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Hold on. I'm going to make this really quick, guys. All right, so what I would do is I would take the barcodes. I would have the barcodes facing in like this. I want to hide the barcodes, because remember, when you send something into Amazon, if they see another barcode, let's say if it was out here and you put the label on and it's showing another barcode, they may scan this barcode, and honestly, it's an excuse for them to throw your product to the side if you mess up. So just hide all the barcodes. So make sure you hide the barcodes on all the items if you have to bundle something up, because you have to put your barcode on. So don't show any barcodes. And if there's like multiple barcodes, you just hide them. Like you put tape over them, or you X them out with a Sharpie, anything like that. So I put these like this, and then this barcode, you see how this one is? I'll face this one like this, boom. Then this one, I will face in like this. So now all the barcodes are hidden. All right, it'll look like this. All the barcodes are hidden on this item. So they're all right here. Okay, guys? I put them like this. Now, what I want to do is, if I can find some tape right here. Hold on one second, guys. I'll try to make this really quick. Really quick for you guys. All right, guys. So take the tape, right? And tape these bad boys together. Nice and easy. Let me get a little bit more. I'm probably gonna skip through this part. All right, guys. This is just a quick little tutorial on how to do this. I mean, it's really easy, but I had a few people ask me, so decided to make this. The original video I was gonna upload is me doing a $100 flip, but that might be up Monday, where I'm gonna show you guys how I can spend $100 and turn it into something crazy. So that video may be up Monday. I'm not sure. I need to get really good footage for that, though, to show you guys. All right, so then I will take this side. So let's bring these together. Bam. Let's do one more. All right. Boom. There you go. You see that, guys? And I would put a little bit more tape at the top, but there's no barcode. And now this is a pack of 24, just like we seen when we scanned it, right? It's a pack of 24. Some people may try to knock me for this, but I'm showing you guys the real way you can make some money and still not get in trouble. You're not gonna get in trouble for putting these four. They're the exact same sponges. This is 24. This is a 24 pack now, right? No matter if they send theirs in as a pack of 24 without separate individual packs, this is still the same sponges as a pack of 24. Okay, it's a case, and this is how you would do it. So then from here, when you upload it, and I showed you guys how to upload and send each product into Amazon. Go watch my step-by-step video on how to do that. Just look up step-by-step. I might post a link to it. Yeah, if there's nothing popping up on this video, the link will be in the description. The step-by-step how to send in your items into Amazon. Okay, guys. But this is how you put bundles together. So then when you upload it to Amazon, you will put your label right here, right here, right here, right anywhere you want, and then you just throw it into the box. You throw it into the box with the rest of the items, and you send it in. Okay, guys. And that is how you put together a bundle if you have to, mummify a product. So that was just a quick tutorial. Like I said, a few people asked me, how exactly do I put them together? What do I do? So just wanted to show that really quick for you guys. And remember, we family, we friends, and we family. We friends if you subscribe, we family if you hit the bell. So just remember that, guys. And I'm coming to you guys with some fire content very soon. My baby's going to be here. I keep saying that, but I'm so happy. My baby's going to be here in about 2.5 weeks probably. We just bought a new truck, actually. I just bought us a new truck because my wife was complaining. We got 2 Mustangs. Where's the car seat going to fit? So I'm like, yeah, you're right. So we bought a truck. So, yeah, and just to fit this big old car seat, you see? That's a huge car seat. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. That was a quick tutorial on how to bundle your items, okay, guys? And to send them in, go watch the step-by-step video. I'm your boy. I'm your family. I'm your friend. LeVar Aviance. I got you guys, and I'm out. Peace.